If you have questions, we have answers. Join us live every Wednesday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for Talkin' RV Tech, presented by RVTravel.com.
Here's a sample from one of our recent shows.
The 2020 Cedar Creek Hathaway 341K. My auto leveling control touchpad by Lippert is mounted on the outside driver's side of the RV. Okay, I'm a little concerned. Cedar Creek, so that must be a fifth wheel or a, yeah, okay. Somebody could press the buttons one day, intentionally or not, and cause problems. The young grandkids do get curious. Yeah, I've looked for a locking access door that will screw mount directly over the controls, and I don't want to do so. What I would recommend, and I've seen several different places where you can go to a home improvement store, and you can actually get a locking cover. Most of the time they're in the electrical department, so you basically have to take the box out that would normally flush mount in, but you can get one of those outside ones. And I would think, don't you guys have parts in there for doors, for like hoses and electrical?
Yeah, you can get, and you could cut the backs off of them and mount something over. One thing I want to throw out there is usually those newer units that have the Lippert, it's the little small guys with just like the up and the down and the hitch height and the auto retract or whatever. Like it's the really small ones. So number one thing is you can't just walk up and push a button. You have to turn it on. So if people don't know that you have to press the up and the down button at the same time to turn that panel on, it doesn't really matter. It's not gonna do anything. It's not like you can just come up and push the button.
Okay.
Yep. He could always put in an off-on switch somewhere, hit out or like a
but you can buy one of those like electrical panels. B&B makes them, and you just cut the back off of it and you just screw it right over and put the cover on and key it, and you're good to go.
Yeah, we've done that.
Join us live this coming Wednesday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for Talkin' RV Tech.
You can join us on any of the YouTube or Facebook destinations linked below.
We hope to see you there.